So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw CraftyCorn from Smiling Critters. So let's get started. To draw this cute unicorn, let's first start by drawing a curve for the nose. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a small curve. And then inside this curve, I'm just going to draw two little curves for the nostrils and thicken the ends. There. And then from there, we're going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to come about right here on both sides and here. So the center on both sides of our center. And we're going to go up with a curve. Bring it down nice and wide and say about right here. And I'm kind of aiming for a curve to come back to this, back to our curve. So I'm going to come about right here and connect. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And we're going to draw the same thing, same height, and go out. And once again, about right there, same about height, and then connect it all the way back to the nose. Then from there, let's come inside towards this edge a little bit more. We're going to draw a big oval. And same thing here. And then let's go ahead and shade this all in black. From there, let's go ahead and draw the mouth. So right underneath the eyes and the nose, I'm going to come about right here really close and draw a big curve all the way across. And then it's about the same width as the eyes. And then from there, I'm going to come out about right here where the eyes are and just draw a curve to cap off my smile. So same thing here, big curve. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a big curve towards the bottom. And same thing here. There, big smile. And then in the center, we're going to draw a tongue. So towards the center, just draw two little curves and back. And then once again, this part is going to be shaded in all black. There, finally done. Then from there, let's come back to where the eyes are, and around this curve, we're going to draw another curve. So about right here, we're just going to start to draw the outside of our mouth. So same thing here where the eyes are. Just draw a curve around this, and then we're going to bring it down. I'm going to find my center, say about this wide, and we're just going to connect it with a big curve. So just follow the curve you drew for your smile. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that finally, let's go ahead and we're going to come back in about right here. And we're going to draw a curve going up. And same thing here. So about the same height on both sides. Right here. Just draw a curve around the eye. Then from there, let's see here. Then from there, let's go ahead and I'm gonna bring this up a tiny bit more. Just curve it in a little bit. And then from there, we're going to draw 3 curves for the mane. That's right over the eye. So 1, 2, and 3. About right there. And then from there, we're going to bring this around and go up. But before I finish that, let's pop in the ear. So now that we have this curve in, I'm going to come about right here and we need to draw CraftyCorn's ear. So I'm going to go up right on this side, round off the tip and bring it down. Then for the inside, just going to follow what we drew on the outside and bring it in there. And before I forget, there's another curve right here for the side of the face. Then from there, let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here for the other ear, on here. And let's see here, this curve is going to go up. Just finish this curve going up, and then about right here is where we're going to draw the other ear. So let's go up just like the other side, and I'm just going to drag a point approximately, round off the tip and bring it back down to our point. And once again, the inside. Of the ear. Then from there we can go ahead and then draw the unicorn, the horn. So right in the center, about, let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. So that being my center, about right here is being my curve. And I'm going to bring this up, say about this much, round off this little tip and bring it down on both sides. There. And then we can go ahead and draw just 2 curves to give our horn some dimension and detail. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and finish our mane. So I'll pop it up to about right here, bring it out and just tuck it right back in about here. And then once again, right here, we need to draw another curve to finish it off. There. Oh, and almost forgot. Let's come back right here. And we need to draw the rest of the mane. So I'm going to put in 2 little curves right here, and same thing on the other side. There. Oh, and almost forgot, I know, I'm sorry. One more thing. Up here, we need to draw the brow. So we're going to bring in a curve on both sides. And I'll thicken this part, and same thing here. There. Okay, so hopefully I haven't forgotten anything, and that is it for the head. So now let's draw the cute little body. So I'm going to come right here. We're going to center it. So about right here and here, right underneath the tongue. Let's go ahead and draw an angle line coming down, and let's connect it with a curve. So just like all my other smiling critters that I've drawn so far, same idea for the body. There, one nice curve, and then the legs. So our center's right here. We're going to go to the left of it and to the right of it, and we're going to pop out the legs. So one here and here, and it's going to get thicker as we come down. So let's bring it down to say about right there, and round it off and connect. And then come back about right here and draw a curve. So same thing on the other side. And here. There. Okay, and then now the arms. So let's come right here and we're just going to flare the arms out. 2, say about right there. Round this part off, bring it in and back. And right here, a curve. And same thing over here. So nice and simple. So about right here. And once again, curve and connect. And another curve for the hands. There. And then from there, last but not least, let's draw the flower right in the center. So I'm going to come right about here and draw a circle. And then we need to draw 5 petals. So just go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yay. And then let's connect it to the neck. And that is pretty much it. Oh no, I keep forgetting. I'm so sorry. Now we have to draw the tail. That is the last thing. So right here, we're going to pop out a tail. We're going to curve it. And about right here, just fluff it out with one curve and another. And bring it right back in. And that is it for my drawing here of CraftyCorn from Smiling Critters. I really hope I helped you draw this unicorn fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.